This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing deliverability and data, set up Google Workspace if you need higher limits, and add SBF/DKIM so messages land in inboxes. Next, build a clean CSV with name, email, and segment columns. Make one row per contact. Once done, draft a concise email template and 2 subject variations for testing. Make sure to include tracking tags and links for analytics. This gets you from 0 to your first targeted batch quickly and reliably. You now focus on composing and personalization. Insert merge tags for first name and custom fields, and keep your subject line under 60 characters to avoid truncation. Once your draft is ready, send tests to at least 5 devices and clients to verify rendering, link tracking, and image loading. Make sure to stagger sends into batches respecting Gmail limits, consumer 500 per day, workspace higher. Finally, review engagement expectations and adjust cadence so you deploy the first batch and monitor results closely for the next 1 to 3 days. Track opens, clicks, bounces, and unsubscribe rates. Once you see hard bounces, suppress those addresses immediately and remove unsubscribes to protect your sender reputation. If engagement is low, resegment or re-engage with a win-back sequence. Should deliverability fall, check SBF/DKIM records, reduce send cadence, and review recent subject lines or content that might trigger filters. These steps fix most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.